Hi, welcome again. Now we are on the second week of our module from Introduction to Accommodation and Food Beverage Operations. The previous week we talked about a little bit the characteristics and what is hospitality industry, and then is it hospitality industry is for you. Now we move to talk about one of the instruments of the hospital industry, which is accommodations. Um, Nowadays, a lot of accommodations are um, they qualified themselves, they classified themselves for a certain numbers of reasons. One of the union body, one of the company that do this classification, and it is very well known, is what they call is triple A or AAA. Um, this company is based in the United States of America. It's in the USA. And why is it in the USA? Because a lot of biggest companies, a lot of well-known hotels running is managed, and they are from United States. So they that's why triple A comes from United States. Why do they need to classify hotels? What is the reason? The reason is because there's a difference between one accommodation to the others. Make sure right people come to the right hotels, and if they're looking for certain atmosphere or certain service that they want to, they know which hotels they go. I'm gonna mention about the type of location of hotels that can be classified in about in the next slides. Hotels may be classified as to location, price, and the type of service they offered. Triple A, they do this occasionally. They do this periodically. Mostly they do this what they call they come and check. They make sure the hotel says and they have what they say. So for example, they said, oh, we are full service restaurant, full service hotel. So we have a restaurant running. Is it really a restaurant, or it's just a empty room with a chair and a server without a guest? And they make sure that the service that they said they deliver is correct, is fit for what the hotel is supposed to have. Triple A itself, it's been doing this classification, this inspection since 1977. Mostly, they are big in the United States, like I said, in Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean. They usually have a booklet for it. If you are in the U.S. territory, you probably already seen it, like very booklet Bible kind of things, and you can see type of hotels, and they have 3 stars, 2 stars, and so on. If you see the next slides that I give it to you, there's a types and location of hotels. I maybe not mention all of this right now, because you can read this, and you can always go to the website and find out. For example, conventions hotel, and then you can see a different type of convention hotels, and then what type of rooms they have, what kind of service they offer. Some of those that really familiar, hopefully city hotels or city center hotels. It's something that is in the central of the hotel usually, and they have mostly people that go there for business. Yes, sometimes there are people also for leisure reasons stay there. There's nothing harm about that, but mostly people that come to the city hotel is for business. And the next one is resort hotel. The easiest way to know resort hotel is mostly they are in exotic area, vacation area. In the books, this says is mostly inclusive and diversified in accommodations. It means if it's inclusive, it means sometimes they sell the price include meals, include, for example, spa, include any other karaoke or any other service that they offer. So they pay per person, for example, 300 US dollars per person for length of stay, probably 2 nights or 3 nights, depends. And then if you have five, six people with kids or you with friends, the price would be 300 times 6. That includes everything. You have probably come from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And like I said, the location of the resort mostly is very tourism area. It's not always. It's not always. Sometimes people with resort, people think, oh, a beach. That's the most common, but this is not always a beach. Sometimes it's ski resort can be a mountain resort, and it's also well known with this. Um, the other thing that probably I would like to mention is airport. This is the airport hotel. Mostly the airport hotel is very close um, to the airport, of course, and because they're close to the airport, mostly the airport that close is a busy airport. So they are required, or they're not required, they want to compete and they want to try to have more people, so they have more rooms. And mostly also they offered um, what do you call it, transport from the hotel to the airport. Most of the time they do offer this.